When dividing two fractions, go ahead and apply the following rules. That if the signs of the fractions are the same, both positive or both negative, then the quotient is going to be a positive number. If the signs of the fractions are opposite, where one fraction is positive and one is negative, then the quotient will be negative. So basically, if you have two negatives, that becomes a positive. If you only have one negative, then the final answer is going to be negative. So negative 2/5 divided by 3/7, that's going to be negative 2/5 times 7 over 3. So negative 14 over 15. Negative 5/8 divided by negative 3/4 is going to be positive, and 5/8 times 4/3, the 4 goes in 8 twice, and we are left with positive 5 over 6. A complex fraction is a fraction that contains at least one fraction or mixed number in its numerator or denominator. So something like some fraction 2/3 over 4/5 is an example of a complex fraction. 3/4 over 1 1/8, 9/11 over 2, 4 over 4/7 plus 5/7, and so on. To deal with complex fractions, one way is just to treat the fraction bar as division. So if I see 2/3 divided by 4/5, that's really 2/3 divided by 4 over 5. So common denominator is 15. This becomes 10/15 divided by 12/15. So this is going to be 10/12 or 5 over 6. 9/11 divided by 2, I can think of as 9/11 times 1/2. I'll go with do reciprocals this time. And that comes out to be 9 over 22. All right, couple applications. Most surfboards are made of foam plastic covered with several layers of fiberglass to keep them watertight. How many layers are needed to build up a finish 3/8 of an inch thick if each layer of fiberglass has a thickness of 1/16 of an inch? So I want to end up with 3/8, and each layer is 1/16. So you can think of that as 6 over 16 divided by 1 over 16. That comes out to be 6 layers. So you would need 6 layers to build up a finish that's 3/8 of an inch thick. A hardware chain purchases large amounts of nails and packages and them in 9/16 pound bags for sale. How many of these bags of nails can be obtained from 2,871 pounds of nails? So we have 2,871, and basically we're dividing them into 9/16 bags. So that becomes 2,871 over 1 times 16 over 9. And I think 9 goes into 2,871. I'll just do it right here. Goes in 3 times, once, and then 9 goes into 81 9 times, so 319. So this becomes 319 times 16. And pull out the calculator for that one. So 319 times 16 comes out to be 5,104 bags. Oops. So if you have 2,871 pounds of nails and you're dividing them into packages of 9/16 pound bags, you can make 5,104 bags of nails.